The readings are stabilizing now. Good, keep monitoring the torque levels. Understood, it's holding steady. The welder expertly fuses the metal, as intense sparks and light reveal the precision of the craft. These are high-performance exhaust silencers, designed to reduce noise while maintaining engine efficiency. Using the wrench, the mechanic applies steady, clockwise turns to tighten the component on the motorcycle engine. This contoured seat offers exceptional comfort for long rides, with its ergonomic design and premium stitching. How's the meter looking? It's within spec, but let me confirm the reading. This advanced meter provides real-time data on speed, RPM, and more, making it an essential tool for performance monitoring. This is a motorcycle handlebar control kit, including grips, levers, switches, and wiring for customization or upgrades.
Robotic arm scans the motorcycle using precision sensors, checking shape, alignment, and build accuracy. Laser lines inspect panel alignment and weld accuracy with millimeter-level precision. Water is sprayed from all directions to test waterproof sealing and electrical protection. Controlled heat simulates extreme temperatures, checking material strength and seal stability. The motorcycle is secured and prepared for high-speed airflow testing. Powerful air streams simulate real riding conditions, while sensors monitor vibration and pressure. The seat is inspected for secure fit, locking position, and comfort alignment, ensuring rider stability and safety. Next, a precision pump fills the tires to exact pressure for balance and road safety. A laptop system verifies engine data, sensors, and overall electronic performance. Headlights, indicators, and brake lights are tested for brightness and response. In the final stage, the motorcycle is visually inspected from all angles.
quality of the motorcycles in this region has been inconsistent. We need to address the manufacturing standards.
All right, keep pushing. Got it. Secure the front wheel now. Ratcheting the strap.
We've finalized the route for the new model.
Yeah.
What about the port delays we saw earlier this week?
Our data suggests we've bypassed the main congestion points.
Transit ships, yeah.
If we look at the logistics data, the bottleneck is clearly in the transit hubs.
Exactly, but the worldwide logistics map.
Oh, yes. Absolutely incredible. It's finally here.